Hello everyone, welcome to Sourav Sir's classes. Here we are going to talk about the UCAT examination, that's the University Clinical Aptitude Test. And I'm going to give you an overview of this over here in this today's session. So the UCAT is an admission test, as you all know, which is used by many UK students as well as by universities for medical and dental programs. So it assesses a range of mental abilities and is designed to help the students to get the required universities. Definitely the right one will get admission to the right university, and for that we need to identify the right skills for these courses. Hence, this is the ultimate examination which tests your skills. I'm going to give you a test format guidance over here regarding this UCAT. The UCAT is a computer-based test which consists of 5 subtests. First is verbal reasoning, second is quantitative reasoning, third, it's abstract reasoning. Fourth is decision making. Fifth, it's situational judgment. Each subtest is timed, of course, and the total test duration is approximately 2 hours. Let me break down this subtest. Now, this subtest has a verbal reasoning section. The number of questions in this verbal reasoning section would be 44. The time allowed would be 21 minutes. And what would be the content of this part? It would include assessing the reading comprehension, the ability to evaluate the arguments, and also understanding of written information. Then you have the section of quantitative reasoning, where you have to answer 40 questions. The time allowed would be 25 minutes. In this section, you are going to have tests regarding the numerical skills that you possess and the ability to solve the problems using data from the tables, charts, and graphs. We have abstract reasoning. The number of questions would be 55. Time allowed would be 14 minutes. Then the content of this abstract reasoning section would be, it measures the ability to identify the patterns and relationships in the abstract shapes. Then you have the decision making section, where you have 29 questions. The time allowed would be 30 minutes. The content includes evaluating the logical reasoning, critical thinking, and the ability to make decisions based on given information. Then you have the section of situational judgment, where you have to answer 69 number of questions. The time allowed would be 26 minutes. Here, it actually assesses the judgment and the decision making in scenarios relevant to healthcare, focusing on professionalism and also focusing on ethical reasoning. The next part would be the scoring part. Each subtest is scored out of a maximum of 900, and the total score is the sum of the scores from the first 4 subtests, excluding this situational judgment section. Separately, talking about the situational judgment, it is scored separately and is categorized as band 1 to band 4, with band 1 being the highest. How will you prepare for this examination? Obviously, practice materials are there, like official UCAT website will offer you with free practice tests and preparation resources. Also, you will get books and online courses. Like various resources are there which are available that provide you with practice questions and strategies. So how will you familiarize yourself with the study pattern and the syllabus? You need to understand the test format and the timing. For that, you need to give a lot of mock tests. So practice under timed conditions to build your speed and accuracy. You need to focus on weak areas which will be identified during practice. Of course, you will be able to know which part is taking more time and which part is becoming quicker for you to solve. You need to give full-length mock tests to simulate the test day experience and improve the stamina. Now, talking about the registration and test dates, registration would include candidates typically registering themselves online through the UCAT website. Then about the test window, it is normally offered, like this website opens for registration purpose from early July onwards. It extends till late September each year. The test centers can be taken at any designated test centers across the UK as well as internationally too. So this UCAT examination, it's a critical part of the admissions process for many medical and dental schools in the UK. Effective preparation through practice and familiarization with the test format can significantly enhance your performance, definitely. For the most current information regarding this, including updates and specific dates, always refer to the official website, of course. Anyway, thank you for being with me till the end. If you want to solve all your queries regarding this examination, you can definitely connect with us through the numbers, contact details given in the description box. Apart from that, if you have any further queries, you can post them down in the comment box below. Thank you.